Acoustic ability! Acoustic ability right there. And Dana. Welcome everybody! V Roads here, Suck here. Chilling like a... You threw off my groove, man! Anyways, car meet stuff going on. I just wanted to say thank you to everybody for this big ass milestone, 1,000 subscribers. Never would I have ever imagined getting 1,000 subscribers. I mean, I was hopeful, okay? I never told myself I couldn't, but, you know, when I made my YouTube channel, I was expecting 300 subs maybe. So when I crossed 300, I crossed 500, I crossed 750. Dude, it is such a good feeling. It is... You guys are the best. It's honestly... I don't know what to say. I mean... See, sometimes I do a little bit of maintenance videos. Sometimes I do, you know, driving videos where I talk about stuff. Okay? But... sometimes a little bit of maintenance, sometimes a little bit of driving stuff. But mostly I do dash cam footage, okay? And the dash cam is like, it's rolling right now. And the thing is, I don't dash cam with YouTube in mind. I mean, yes, I pull my dash cam clips and I put them on YouTube, okay? But the reason the video quality is like macaroni art, whereas some people professionally edit everything and stuff like that, is because I drive like I normally would on a normal day. Yes, I swear at drivers. Yes, I say some things and stuff like that. And then I go home, I pull the clips from the dash cam and make the videos, okay? It's not like I get in my car and I'm like, let's make some YouTube videos. No. So, you know, so my videos to me, they feel like macaroni art, but you know, I just want to show road situations out there and maybe be a little bit humorous. And also the dash cam is good for me as an individual, because instead of bottling up and getting irritated and all that stuff, I can just talk to myself, you know, which is great. I don't know if any of that made sense. I'm doing this video in one take and I'm doing it off the cuff, but I just wanted to say that you guys are amazing. It means a lot to me that people want to watch my videos and want to sub to my channel. Since I've hit the 1,000 subscriber milestone, this also means that I will possibly be getting paid for my work here. Once again, I used to be making about like $50 a month, which was enough for, you know, free oil changes every 3 months and a little bit of extra change to spend on other car parts. So my YouTube channel with my dash cam pretty much pays for the upkeep of the car in a sense. And, you know, it's just good feelings all around. But mostly, I just really wanted to thank you all from the bottom of my heart. It means a lot to me that people... That I can do what I want, upload what I want, and that people like it and watch it and feel entertained. And it's just such a good feeling for me as somebody who is like a creator, you know. And I know that my videos aren't like Hollywood smash hit PewDiePie stuff, okay? So I'm just very grateful to have this support and to have this many people wanting to watch my YouTube channel. And you know, I admit lately the videos, it's been hard for me to put out videos because it's been hard for me to even be on YouTube because I've had so much going on that's just demanding my attention. So, you know, I apologize that I haven't been putting out as many videos lately, but I try my best, okay? And, you know, I love this as a hobby, and I love keeping people entertained, and this means so much to me, you know? And once again, thank you so much. It's a very important milestone to me. A year or two ago, I never would have imagined that I would have crossed 500, let alone 1,000. And, you know, what's next? 2,000, 3,000, 5,000? Who knows? Okay? Maybe I'll get stuck at 1,500. Maybe it'll keep going. But you guys are awesome. Each and every single one of you. to me, it doesn't matter if 1 person, 30 people, or 30,000 people watch my videos, okay? It's just so long as, you know, I'm proud to create content that entertains each and every one of you. I value the individual. Though I do say it's been hard for me to stay on YouTube and watch other people's videos, and it's been hard for me to reply to every single comment lately. I've been trying, but it's been getting hard. I think that's everything on my mind. I'm sorry if I'm all over the place, but, you know, it's just off the cuff. I just wanted to say thank you guys so much. And yeah, me, Acoustic, Dana, and the Mustango, Stango behind me, we are going to a car meet right now by Harrisburg, and we're just gonna chill out. So maybe I'll get some videos from there. It's been a while since I did a car meet video. And yeah, like I said, you guys are awesome. It makes me feel hella good. And thank you so much again. And like I said, I will keep trying to make videos to keep everybody happy and entertained. So long, take care. I hope you guys are having better weather than I do. And so long.
Gotta put this down.
Hello? 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 It sounds like your mother's vagina in here. Here. How's it going? So like when I drove by you guys, I was just like waving like hello and shit, and then as I drove away, I had the most brilliant idea, and I was mad I didn't do it.
What was that?
Roll down the window and pass you guys the camera.
Oh, that's what we have this for. Watch this shit.
If you would have gave me the memo, I would have switched.
That's okay.
These things are priceless because if you're driving through traffic and you just decide to extend it out, you can slip it into someone's car and they won't even notice it.
and gentlemen, over here with me is Acoustic Ability. Please check out his channel. Me and him have been buddies for a long time.
Almost 2
Awesome
years
dude,
now.
almost 2 years now. That's right, we've been doing some funny shit like fidget spinning rims in the car meets and all that stuff, and you know, if anybody deserves 1,000 subs, it's him. You guys gotta check him out. At least do it for me, alright?
Yeah, I taught him how to drive stick on my car.
That too, that's very
Check that
important.
video out on his channel.
And on his channel too. You know, I've been trying to send you guys over, but you guys ain't listening. You gotta. And listen, this is a very big, important milestone to me. When I was 18, I never thought I would make it this far. I was working in a restaurant business, and you know, the boss fired me because I got my finger stuck in the dishwasher. He fired her too. But we made it far, and I've got 1,000 subs now. It's his turn to get 1,000 subs. Please try to help him out.
795. As of
795 as of today.
today, which is a hell of a lot closer than I was at 165.
That's right. Please give him 5 more and then spread the word. He puts a lot of effort and work into his YouTube videos. He edits them, makes them so nice, and
Remember,
my shit's like macaroni art in comparison. You guys gotta check him out.
just remember this. Support those. Wait, you have to edit that out. Remember to give back to those who give to you. Support small creators like ourselves and push that sub button. Now back to the talking.
So there you go. You actually can crawl under this thing. Hell. That is something. That probably makes oil changes so nice.